Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to see your messages on Messenger without being seen. And now let's dive right in. Now, to see or watch somebody else's text on your account without being seen or without being marked as read on your Messenger, first open up your Messenger account like this. And from over here, guys, you need to know one thing that is, in order to not to let the person who sent you the message know that you've already watched or viewed their messages, we gotta put them into the restricted mode account. But why? I'll show you right now. To do that, guys, at the top left corner of the Messenger, you can see the three-lined icon. Tap over there and tap on settings just beside your username. Over here, guys, at the top right corner of the panel, just appear. Tap on settings, scroll down, guys, until you find the privacy and safety options, or just below the preferences category, and tap on that privacy and safety like this, and tap on restricted accounts like this. And over here, guys, I have not currently restricted anybody on my Messenger. Now you can see over here it says learn how the restrict works. So let's tap on it, and here on the middle section of the screen you can see it says the hide your activity, which means the person won't see when you've read messages or your active status. And we basically need to do the same thing. If we put anybody on the restricted mode or the restricted accounts, let's add a person. And guys, this account of my friend has been added to the restricted sections of the Messenger of my account. And over here, guys, let's open his chat box. And over here, guys, it says you restricted this guy, and they can see when you're online or when you have read their messages. So basically, guys, if you want to see your messages on the Messenger without being seen, you must put that account into the restricted mode and view their messages, so that they won't be able to find that you have already watched their messages. And that being said, guys, this is how you see your messages on Messenger without being seen. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.